Alright, hold on, wait a sec.
Yeah, that was a world record, right? Yeah. Hello, guys. 3, 2, 1, go. Wait, what the? I got the 3x3. Wait.
Hopefully that doesn't happen in the official song.
Wait, is it round 3 already?
I don't think they called it.
Now calling 3x3, group 3.
Oh,
If you are
only go if they call one good.
I can't forget this. Alright, so this is going to be my first solve in 2023. Oh, and also this earmuff helped me so much in the solves. So, yeah.
I'm gonna try it again for a sub 10 single. And I don't know, probably like a 12 average. Hello. Ready.
Oh, and you may notice that this isn't my Rubik's Cube, and the reason why is because my Rubik's Cube actually broke the day before the competition. So, yeah, I'm borrowing my little brother's cube right now. But hey, my suffering is your entertainment, so... What? I just beat my PR single on the very first solve of the day. I couldn't believe this, honestly.
I just got my PR single. On my first solve.
But what happened next was even crazier. Another 10. Not only was this my PR single, this was a counting 10, which meant that if I could make the rest of the 3 solves good, that means I would have had a crazy average. So I knew something was up.
Ready. Ready.
Even though I choked the last 2 solves, it still resulted in a 217 PR average. What a great way to start off the competition.
Dude, I got a counting 10.
こうちゃんはですね、これだ。
73位
ギリギリインなのアウトなの
アウト。
アウトだね、それは。
あら惜しかったね。
Any advice for me for the comp? The rest of the comp?
Get good.
Okay, here's the scramble.
Wait a minute, didn't you already make that joke?
Moving on.
Oh wait, oh, deeper.
Let's go.
Wait, guys,
Actually,
here's an explanation on why GameChops are so expensive.
Okay.
So they're like they use like very good piece texture. Like it's really bad, but it's like very expensive. And they also use like a lot of magnets because magnets are expensive.
Yeah, they use
And
like
then
a whole lot of time.
Yeah, they just put as much as expensive things in their cube as they can, and they just give it overpriced, an overpriced value.
That's why they think you can like ask for the amount of money they can.
Yeah.
Am I right? Hi, Max.
Hi, Max. Can you signature?
Not yet. Okay.
Okay.
Not yet. Okay.
I got rejected.
Okay. Explain why COLL is not worth it.
Because you can get U-terms, which are like good, but you can also get H-verbs, which are bad.
Okay, but what if you get an N perm instead of a COL?
Yeah. In that case, like in one-handed, that's gonna be like better.
Do you think CLO's for everybody?
No.
Thank you so much. Ready?
Alright, so 4x4 round 1. This was quite interesting because I underperformed so much on this. I couldn't find my cross-edge pieces. So, I got like a minute solve, which like it sucks for me. So yeah, hopefully that doesn't happen in my next one.
Okay, I'm done with 4x4. I got like disappointingly bad results. I was trying to get like a PR single, but it didn't happen. I also got a +2 again, so yeah, at least I broke my PR average.
Alright, so 3x3 blindfolded. So nerves were getting on my mind, and I was really nervous, and the cumulative time limit for this competition for 3 blind was 10 minutes, and apparently it's 30 minutes for usual. So yeah, I did not expect that. So I DNF'd the first 2 solves, and the cumulative time limit was hit, like I think it was 9:30 or something, so I had to stop right there. So yeah, we'll get it next time, folks.
Okay, I'm gonna be leaving for lunch, so bye guys.
Bye.
どうしよう。お父さんまだ食べれないね。
なんで？
時間がね、2時まで食べちゃう。
あ、そうなんだ。
まあ食べちゃおうかな。
My dad is gonna break his diet schedule just for eating burgers.
This is cute. Smiley.
Smiley face, look at that. Clutch, oh my god. Oh my god.
Wait, what happened to the other dude that we were
Bro, why are you filming me? Why? Stop. Oh,
You know, like all the
the soda corner is so. Let's go.
Alright, 8 seconds. 8 seconds.
What already?
12 seconds.
Bro, you.
supposed to DNF.
Tyler is in.
Tsukasa, what team is that?
Okay, so something really interesting happened in the first round in one-handed. I didn't compete in, but Antonio got a national record average, and not only that, he actually beat Max Park on the first round, which is crazy. But even if Antonio is good at one-handed, he still can't seem to beat that time with 2 hands. Meanwhile, Lucas was kinda going crazy.
Another 10!
He's seriously good. Like look at his results. This is phenomenal.
Good job, Lucas.
Next up was 3x3 round 2. Alright, so right out of the gate on round 2, I got a 14-second solve. Not good. I was kind of getting worse as the day went by, and I've noticed that in my past competition too. But I was still doing kind of decent, so. Never mind, I just take back everything that I just said. But just as things were looking kind of miserable for me, something amazing happened on 4x4 round 2.
Oh crap, wait.
Because that would have been a
My battery's at 10%, I'm gonna cut.
Anyways, moving on, here was my first solve.
Ready.
I started straight out of the gate and got a 47, which was really, really good for me because my PR before this was 46 seconds.
Ready.
Oh, nice.
Honestly, I felt like beating my PR for 4x4 was quite hard back then, so I was really surprised when I got this solve.
Ready.
"45 seconds, that's PR by 1 second. I was super duper happy and hyped about this.
PR.
But again, I thought that was just luck and I thought I was gonna get a 50 and end the average, but then this happened. I got another 45, but this time I beat it by 0.3 seconds from the last solve, making it my new PR.
Yeah.
This resulted in a 46-second average. My last PR single was a 46-second too. I was super duper happy. But it didn't even make it to finals. I'm so disappointed in you two.
Really? How do I even fix this? Yeah. It would have been like a 10 or 11. I'm so mad. Just wipe this and then make sure it doesn't pop off again.
Yeah.
I'm supposed to be the one popping off, not the cube.
Okay, so my friend from Turkey that I met in this competition was judging me on this solve.
Hello.
We'll get to see how good of a judge I am.
You better have that good luck charm then for me to get that sub 10. Oh my god, the sun.
Dang it. No, you didn't get a sub 10 because it was of the sun. Otherwise, you would have gotten it.
Yeah, I couldn't solve well after this on 3x3 because of how tired I was. So basically that meant me and Lucas were both not going to 3x3 finals and all of our solves for the competition was over.
Okay, possible final.
Good luck. Thank you, Judge, for the luckiest judge with the unluckiest spot ever.
Yes.
No. His initials are AW. Did he get judged by him?
No?
Okay, but he's a luck god, especially to me. He's like, he literally purposely like gets me. He's like, it's not like I've been purposely getting you every time because he judged me all 5 solves last time in a possible PR.
But because life were being so harsh on us, there were unfortunate things that happened
It
too.
was so bad.
Yeah.
Okay, so basically what happened was on his 5th solve,
Yeah.
he got a really good time. He got a 23, which was like near his personal best.
Yeah, my personal best was 23.05 and it was 23.87.
Yeah, but then what happened is, when the judge lifted up the cover, the cube was misaligned like that, and they didn't know whether it was like that or this when they were scrambling. So the delegate came over and they had to get an extra for him. And then he
the
got
extra,
a 30.
I got like a 38 or something.
Yeah, with a trash scramble,
It
right?
was really bad, yeah. The other scramble, it wasn't even that good. I just executed it really well.
Yeah.
But of course, there were some good news as well.
1193 average.
Ooh. Nice.
That's triple PRs in every, or double PRs in every round I did.
triple PR.
And just like that, the competition was over. There are some other competitions that I could sign up for right now, but I have something important that day, and so I can't sign up for any of them. Also, I'm going to Japan this summer, so if there are any competitions, I would definitely love to sign up for that competition. I'm sorry if this vlog seems kind of rushed. I didn't really have that much time and I wanted to set a deadline for myself, so yeah, thank you for watching. Goodbye.
Bye, Lucas.
Bye. Nice seeing you.
Cody, you want to race? All right.
Shotgun.
I call shotgun.
I call shotgun.
I call shotgun. I need to be vlogging more. I'm not gonna have enough finishes.